Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to join a Project Zomboid server. First, launch Project Zomboid and go to the main menu. From there, click Join. This opens the multiplayer connection screen where you can see available servers and add your own. To join a public server, click the Internet tab and scroll or use the name filter to find the server you want. When you see it in the list, select it, then enter a username and password. This creates your character for that server, and click Join Server. If the server doesn't show up or it's private, use the Favorites method. On the Join screen, switch to Favorites, then enter the server's IP address and port. The default port is often 162.61 unless the host changed it. Add a friendly name, put the server password if required, then click Add. After that, select your saved server and hit Join Server. Make sure the server IP and port are correct. Your firewall allows Project Zomboid, and you're on the same game version as the server. Mismatched versions or missing mods often prevent connections. Once you click Join Server and the connection completes, you'll spawn into the world with other players. If the server uses a password or whitelist, you'll need those before joining. And that's how you join a server in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.